Hello, this is a jacketed type chocolate tempering machine. Today, we will learn how to temper chocolate using this machine. To achieve automatic and consistent chocolate tempering, this machine is specially designed for precise temperature control and smooth processing. Wecan Engineering Solutions, are a leading manufacturer and exporter of chocolate processing machines. This is the water inlet cone, used to fill water into the jacket. It is connected to the machine using a tri-clover clamp. We have provided a shaking mechanism to ensure uniform melting and mixing of chocolate during heating and cooling. This is achieved through a pendulum mechanism. Before starting the machine, we need to mount this pendulum onto the main shaft. You can use a T-spanner to tighten the bolt securely. After fixing the pendulum, we install the wheel, which is made of durable polycarbonate material. A knob is provided to lock the wheel onto the shaft. Now, we attach the discharge assembly. As shown, it is very easy to mount and remove. This is the main switch of the machine. Let's switch on the machine. You can see two digital displays on the control panel. The left display shows the jacket water temperature. The right display shows the chocolate temperature. We also have switches for heater on, off, wheel rotation, emergency stop. First, we set the water temperature to 45 degrees Celsius. Since this is a jacketed machine, we need to fill water through the inlet cone. Now, it's time to add chocolate. For demonstration purposes, we are using compound chocolate instead of pure chocolate. You can add chocolate directly into the machine without breaking it into small pieces. In this demo, we are using 10 kilograms, although the machine capacity is 30 kilograms per batch. As the chocolate begins to melt, it sticks to the rotating wheel and flows through the discharge outlet. As a general rule of tempering, we heat chocolate to around 42 degrees Celsius. So we wait until the chocolate reaches this temperature. Once the chocolate reaches 42 degrees Celsius, we reduce the temperature to around 35 degrees Celsius. To achieve this, we set the water jacket temperature to 35 degrees Celsius. Gradually, the chocolate temperature also reduces to 35 degrees Celsius. At this stage, you can observe the smooth flow and glossy texture of the chocolate. We have fast-forwarded part of the video to save time. You can clearly see continuous chocolate flow from the wheel. The effectiveness of the pendulum in mixing. Now, the chocolate is ready to be transferred into molds. You can also use this tempered chocolate for panning applications. Since this is only a demonstration, our handling may not be like a professional chocolatier. Please consider this video for demonstration purposes only. After filling the molds, place them in a refrigerator for setting. Since we used 10 kilograms chocolate, we required multiple trays. Excess chocolate has been poured into plates. Some leftover chocolate, approximately 500 grams, may remain inside and needs to be removed manually. Now, let's check the molded chocolate. Since we used compound chocolate, the shine is slightly lower compared to pure chocolate. However, with real chocolate, you will achieve excellent gloss, texture, and finish. Do contact us on 972-779-4689. Thank you.